Okay, part two to the Bosch warranty drama saga here. Yes, there is a box here. I just got this from the UPS man. I did peek in there a little bit, but I still don't know for sure what's in there. Um, so anyway, there's something in here, and it looked pretty good. It didn't look like there was any poop in there, so as far as I can tell. I'm still gonna look in here. I tweeted at Bosch Tools. It's about the only thing Twitter's good for at this point is customer service. These companies and stuff to get a hold of someone at these companies. Sent them the link to the video, a picture of the poop in question. Like I said, I don't know if it's poop 100%. I didn't get it tested, but it sure looks like poop. That's something not good, vomit, whatever. Like I said, and the lady on Twitter asked for my. They contacted me right away. Told me to send my contact info, which I did. She contacted me by email and called me right away. The lady was very nice. She explained that they reused the packaging to be, eco and green, blah, blah, blah. Being from California, she thought I would, probably like that or something. But she explained, of course it shouldn't have poop on it and it shouldn't be dirty. Like I said, because it is really dirty. It was really dirty. You can't tell in the video, but it was really dirty, dusty, kind of thick dust, dirty. So blah blah blah. She offered on her own to send me a new replacement tool. I said okay, yeah, I'll take that, thank you. But they do want the old poopy tool back, and that's fine. I don't really want it either. Anyway, she was real nice. So they sent this, shipped us out Monday from the Arkansas place, from their warehouse in Arkansas. So hopefully they know not to send poop to you from there. So far, let's look at this. You can already tell it's already packed, probably like how it should have been packed from the beginning. We got a big air packet here, brand new. There is no poop on it. There is no poop on it.
Outstanding.
There is no poop on it. Looks like a repacking receipt. And she said it would be like a bare tool with a plastic insert for their L boxes, which I'm not really interested in the L box. I don't have those, so I don't know. But this is kind of how they send their bare tools, I guess. It comes with a plastic tray. So it's just a bare tool, minus the poop.
Excellent.
Which is nice. I think I like that, not having someone else's poop on my tool. So it does look like it's brand new. You're sure. And it's just a bare tool. So let's open it up. Let's see. I already know there's no poop on this, I could tell. I'm no scientist, but I wouldn't suspect to find any poop on this. So right away, you can see this is better and better. All instructions and what have you. Even the instructions on the charger and stuff, which it doesn't come with the charger, so I don't know why they send that. They send it. Okay, they got some bits, the belt clip and all that stuff. It's good. It's good. I do like the belt clip on it. And it is brand new. Anyway, we got a new tool, and I do have to ship the old tool back to them. They gave me a label to do that, so nothing out of my pocket besides, drama and weeks without my pocket driver. To be honest, I don't know. I didn't want to be greedy, but now that I'm thinking about it, they should have sent me one with batteries, just for my trouble. Just for my trouble, but I'm not greedy, like I said, but I'm fine with this. But, for something that shouldn't have happened in the first place, just make me think, of buying their stuff again, because if I do have to warranty it, and it will probably have to go back to Anaheim, and I don't know if they're going to do this to me again. I mean, hopefully they talk to the guy that did that. I mean, maybe it's not the guy's fault who did that. Obviously, he's probably not provided with the proper packaging material. I mean, if they're using stuff out of the trash, I mean, I'm sure wasn't his idea, but or who he, she, or whatever. But probably was a guy. Probably was a guy that thought sending poop in the box wasn't a big deal. But yeah, probably wasn't his fault. I'm not blaming him, but he probably just wasn't provided with the proper, packaging materials without poop, But like I said, it shouldn't have happened, and I'm rambling, but here we are. Anyway, everything's been made good on Bosch's part, I guess you could say, but like I said, it's mostly unnecessary drama. But so now I got to ship back the old tool and kind of go out of my way and package it up and go to the UPS store again. But anyway, I'm complaining, but I guess I have a right to complain. But anyway, like I said, Bosch did make it right, so gotta give them that. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching my poop story.
Wow.